Morning guys, we're just at Arica. We're going to do the Cobbler this morning. Natalie's not with me, so today it's me and Danny. Say alright Danny?
Hello.
So just look at the cracking views we've got for this morning. And I think this here is Ben Narnain, and the Cobbler, you can't actually see it, it's just behind it now. So this is us now, just hitting the bottom of the trail. So, Forestry Commission, hill access to Ben Narnain and the Cobbler. So that's us just come up the wee zigzaggy part at the start. And there's just a wee bench here, you can just come and sit, chill out. No, just to the left here mate. And then see the great views over the loch. So as we come up the bench, we just go to the left hand side here, and just at this pylon in the distance, just before it, there's a wee turn to the right, and we just head up there, and basically we just keep going up there until it opens up at a saddle, and we'll see you up there. So that's us just come out the wood there, and just up here in front is Ben Narnain. There's the path there we're going to keep on taking, and the Cobbler is just up there, roughly about here somewhere, but we can't see it. I'm very, very sweaty today guys, very. So the path just goes here to the right and it takes you up the staircase. But the best one, if I'm honest, is here on the left hand side where we're going to go up. Just takes you right up the face there, and it's a really good walk. Unfortunately, as you can see, we can't see the top because of the clouds and that, but hopefully when we get up there it's maybe went away. And this is just a wee look where we've came. This is just us a wee bit closer. Might not be able to see it in the camera, but there's a guy just sort of halfway up there. He's going some pace. So I would say we're just about halfway up the front, and it's just a wee look back at where we've came today, and then Ben Narnain across the other side. So still got a wee bit to go. It's looking pretty good, and then there's where we've came from. See Danny just down there, right in the valley. It's lovely. Guys, this is a great walk. We're just going to keep going up. We'll see you up there. That's us now made it to the top. We're here. There's not really much views, to be honest. Usually be able to see a way back to where we came from, but nothing. And that's the top of the Cobbler right there. Right guys, that's us just finished today's vlog. So we were here at Cobbler and it was a great day, really loved it. Fitness wasn't really that great and unfortunately we didn't really get the best sort of weather at the top, but it was good, highly recommend it. Right, we'll see you later, see you next week, bye bye.